Welcome to this segment of Did You Know? In this tutorial, we will examine how to perform a link validation in Canvas. The link validation process ensures that the links in your course are accessible. By checking your links before publishing the course, you can reduce anxiety and foster a welcoming environment for the learners in your course. To perform a link validation, select Settings at the bottom of your left navigation panel. Select Validate Links in Content. Select Start Link Validation. After the validation runs, you will notice there are 9 broken links in the course. The validation specifies where the broken links are, such as an assignment, discussion, and page. This allows the instructor to quickly locate where to update each of the broken links. Thank you for viewing this segment of Did You Know? Subscribe to the Center for Innovative and Transformative Instruction YouTube channel for more instructional videos.